Hey everybody, you like gaming? I know you like gaming. And I've been asked to do a lot of Let's Plays. I haven't really been doing them. Uh, well, I really don't know the reason why. I remember doing the only one I really did on here, the only real one that I actually did was the BBTV long plays of Spider-Man, and I only did one of those. And then if you go back a little bit further, I did some Let's Plays of Sonic CD and Jimmy Neutron Boy Genius, but I'm going to come back with them. So before I go on vacation, which will be Sunday, so I will not make a video on the week of Christmas. Sorry guys, I'm going to be chilling on the beach in Orlando, Florida. No joke, I'm going to Orlando, Florida. Sorry. But in other words, na 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 na. I'm just kidding. But anyway, before I leave, I decided to take a break from the reviews, take a break from the silly videos, and just do some Let's Plays for all of you guys out there. Half of the Let's Plays I have right here on YouTube right now is the Atari 2600 Let's Plays, but maybe Saturday I'll put on some GameCube Let's Plays. So, instead of doing reviews this Friday, or this weekend for a matter of fact, instead of doing silly videos, I'm going to do Let's Plays just for you. And they'll be called BBTV Plays. Now, I got to make it short because I really don't want to make too long of Let's Plays because my webcam will only let me go up to about 10 minutes. So I really can't, or no, 15. So I really can't go past 15 minutes on Let's Play. So they're going to have to be short, quick mini games, Atari games, things like that. But I'm doing it just for you, for all you guys who love Let's Plays. I'm pretty good at games, pretty good at old school games, that is. And so, keep it locked here on BBTV this whole weekend for Let's Plays galore, from Atari 2600 to GameCube to whatever else I can find to play. It's all for you, only on BBTV. See ya!